What's happening, traders? Welcome to another video. It's Emmanuel from LiveFree, and today I am bringing you a live trading video of me day trading gold and making 15K on this trade. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this was no ordinary day. This trade was taken right after the presidential election. There was a lot of volume and a lot of volatility during this market, and when I came to the market, my focus was to maintain composure, particularly to sit on the sidelines if I didn't see the right opportunity. But what ended up happening was, I ended up going with the momentum and going with the selling pressure, because literally the dollar gained a lot of strength and just gold and the market in general was a melting pot, and it still is. So took this trade, executed this trade, and came out on top. It's important to not focus on the money, but to focus on just the steps that we're taking and the mindset that you have to maintain during market conditions like this. It's really important to, really dial in on your risk, because everything is a lot more expensive. Your stop loss things, yes, you can make a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money very quickly. So you as a trader have to maintain your edge, maintain your composure, and just keep your risk management in check. Now, if you want to get access to these live sessions when they happen in real time, click the link down below and become a member of the LiveFree private community. You'll get access to myself, you'll get access to the LiveFree University, and many more. Let's take your trading to the next level. I look forward to seeing you. Let's waste no time. Let's jump straight into the video. So, with election, you're going to get volatility, an increase in volatility. And so far with the London session, we have seen since 1 a.m. today, we have seen price drop almost 500 pip on gold. So the dollar has gained significant strength. If you were in the market during this time, hopefully you were, managing your risk, well. For me, I was sleeping. I'm back in the Eastern time zone, so I didn't get the opportunity to take advantage of this move. But if I were to, I would have done it using the accumulation and distribution strategy, because that was when I woke up, I kind of saw the market still playing within this accumulation zone here, and we had a perfect retest back into the zone on the hourly time frame, a breakout, a retest, and then a continuation in terms of distribution. Okay, I think the market is starting to, I'm gonna go in on this could, right now the best gameplay with market condition like this is continuation. Just looking for that continuation, hoping that the market just continues to run, right? We've seen a pullback here. Technically speaking, yes, we should get that. Like I always say, you have to keep your risk in mind and know the market conditions that you're coming into. And right now, I think we are sitting in a melting pot, and I want to be part of it, but it is a little bit of a harder one to navigate, because it's just not everything is more expensive. It's more expensive. Your stop loss is a little bit more expensive. So days, if you want to sit on the sidelines today, by all means, I would say that. In terms of target for this particular trade that I've executed here, my target is 26.73. The first time I dealt with market conditions that were this severe, I think, I remember, I don't think it was FOMC, I think it was actually a presidential election. I lost my account on gold. I was still living in my $500 apartment at the time. And I was in college, and I remember that day, where I put the money in, bang, I just lost that. So that experience taught me just, I had multiple experiences like that. It takes me a little bit to learn, it takes me a little bit to learn. So I've been through a lot of the struggles, I made a lot of the mistakes, mistakes that you guys would avoid. I made stupid mistakes like trading every currency pair when I first started, and that was, just simply because there wasn't anybody to tell me otherwise, back then. So, FX only 6 months. Yes, 6 months. So yeah, I think all of these are giving you experience as you continue your career. So even though you don't trade today and you don't make any money this week, you're still going to put yourself in a position where you're learning some important, like how to navigate these types of market conditions. Right now we're up around 6 grand on here. Okay, there we go, baby. There we go, 8 grand. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Let market's aiming for that. Okay. All right, five grand right there. All right. So now going back to what I was saying, there are 2 types of risk management and risk to reward. The first risk to reward involves your account equity. You know, you taking a look at the market and saying, okay, you know what, if I risk 30 pep, I'm going for 60 pep. Right? That's a risk to reward that makes sense. If I risk $150, I'm gonna make, you know, $300 or more. That's the first risk to reward. As you start to mature as a trader, you're going to experience like everybody does, FOMO, the fear of missing out. And the way to counter the fear of missing out is, 1, to sit on the sidelines. But then at the same time, you're in the business of making money. So you're going to, at some point, decide, like, okay, you know what, it's worth the risk. And while you're thinking it's worth the risk, you still have to be extremely calculative in terms of how you're going to engage the risk. And it might not be worth the risk for everybody. It might just be like, for me, I came to the market and I'm like, okay, I can fuck with this market condition. Right? I can see what prices try to do here. So it's worth the risk for me. Okay, Jesus, this is nuts. I just want to see if we can get a little bit of extension, you know, see what the next candlestick brings. If we can get a little bit of a push down here, up 500 euros, and I only use 0.40. It's today is it's a day. It's a moving day. It's a moving day. It's a moving day. It's a moving day. It's a big day. It's a big day. I want to see if the market is going to keep dropping and keep, you know, 300 pep in 30 minutes. It's nuts. It's absolutely nuts. It's absolutely nuts. From where we got in, you know, so far, we've been able to, let's see what the market wants to do here. But yeah, this is it. You know, this is the game. If you sat on the sidelines, you honestly made a smart move. You know, for me, I looked at it as, okay, from a risk to reward standpoint, I'm gonna dance in the fire. You know, you dance in the fire, but you know, if you're less experienced and you're still, you don't exactly understand how to navigate your lot size and all the other things, then sit on the sidelines. You know, you need your risk, because everything's a lot more. Everything's a lot more. There's gonna be like this. There's gonna be so much more opportunity. You know, there's gonna be so much more opportunity. You don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about that. Yeah, this is good. This is good stuff. This is good stuff, folks. This is all right. This is good stuff. Might have to do another vacation after this. Jesus. Damn. Wow. I need a bank at least. Oh. Oh man. This is all right. I'm out. I took it. I'm done.